Let's learn real English. Naturally, confidently, together.
Cindy, can I tell you something embarrassing?
Of course. What happened?
Last weekend, I went to the supermarket for 3 things:
Only 3?
milk, bread, and eggs.
Sounds easy.
That's what I thought.
Then what happened?
I walked through every aisle.
Uh-oh.
I saw chocolate, then chips, then ice cream.
I know where this is going.
I filled my shopping cart.
Did you buy the milk?
Yes,
How about the bread?
no,
The eggs?
no.
No way.
I completely forgot them.
That's so funny.
I got home, opened my shopping bag, and realized I forgot the most important things.
I've done that before.
Really?
Many times.
That makes me feel better.
Now I always use a shopping list.
I should do that too.
Do you enjoy grocery shopping?
Actually, I do.
Why?
I like looking at new products. Sometimes I discover something interesting.
Me too. I especially like the bakery section.
Oh, the smell of fresh bread.
Exactly. It's so hard to walk past it.
Usually I can't.
I knew it.
Do you buy frozen food?
Sometimes, when I'm busy.
Same here. It's quick and convenient.
But I still prefer fresh food.
Me too. Fresh vegetables taste better.
I agree.
Do you read food labels?
Most of the time.
Really?
Yes, I like checking the ingredients.
That's a good habit. I should start doing that.
It's helpful.
What's something you always buy, even when it's not on your list?
Flowers.
Flowers? Really?
Yes, they make my home feel brighter.
I like that. That's a nice idea.
What about you?
Orange juice. I never planned to buy it, but somehow it always ends up in my cart.
Just like the cookies.
Exactly. They always find me.
You're funny.
Everyone listening, do you make a shopping list? Or do you remember everything?
Tell us your shopping style in English.
We'd love to hear your story. Cindy, did you go to the supermarket with your family when you were a child?
Yes, almost every weekend.
Really? What do you remember the most?
Walking beside my mom and asking for snacks.
Did she always say yes?
Not always. Sometimes she smiled and said, maybe next time.
My parents said the same thing.
Really?
Yeah, I always wanted chocolate.
Did you get it?
Sometimes, if I helped push the shopping cart.
You had to earn it.
Exactly.
That's a smart idea.
I also liked choosing cereal. There were so many colorful boxes.
I remember that too. It was always hard to choose.
Now, I spend more time choosing vegetables.
We've grown up.
I guess we have.
Who usually does the shopping in your family?
These days, I do. How about you?
Mostly me, but sometimes my husband comes with me.
Is it more fun together?
Definitely. Shopping feels faster, and we can help each other.
I agree. Shopping alone is quiet. Shopping together is more enjoyable.
Exactly.
Have you ever forgotten your wallet?
Oh, yes. One time.
What happened?
I finished shopping, went to the cashier, and my wallet wasn't there.
No way.
It was at home.
That must have been embarrassing.
It was. Luckily, my husband was nearby.
That's lucky.
Have you ever forgotten to pay for something?
No, but I forgot one bag at the supermarket once.
Really?
I got home and realized my drinks were missing.
Did you go back?
Yes. Thankfully, they still had my bag.
That's great.
I was so relieved.
Me too. I'd hate to lose my groceries.
Can I ask you something?
Sure.
Do you prefer big supermarkets or small neighborhood stores?
Small stores. They're quieter and the staff are friendly.
I like big supermarkets. There's so much to choose from.
That's true.
But sometimes, I spend too much time looking around,
Me too.
especially when I'm hungry.
Never shop when you're hungry.
That's great advice, because I always buy too much food.
I think many people do.
Everyone listening, do you prefer a big supermarket or a small local store?
Tell us why in English.
We'd love to read your answers. Cindy, can I ask you one last question?
Of course.
If you could buy only one thing at the supermarket, what would it be?
That's a hard question.
Take your time.
I'd choose fresh fruit
Really? Why?
because it's healthy, it's colorful, and it makes me feel good.
That's a great answer. What about you? I'd choose eggs.
Eggs?
Yeah, they're simple. You can cook them in many ways.
That's true. Boiled, fried, scrambled.
Exactly. I never get tired of eating eggs.
Can I ask you something?
Sure.
What's the best part of going to the supermarket?
Honestly, finding something I wasn't planning to buy.
Like cookies.
Exactly. You know me too well.
What about the worst part?
Waiting in a long checkout line,
Oh, I don't like that either.
especially when I'm carrying a heavy basket.
Me too.
But shopping isn't only about buying food.
I agree.
It's also about taking care of ourselves and the people we love.
That's true. Buying food for your family is a simple way to show you care.
I like that,
Even a small shopping trip can become a nice memory.
especially when you go with family or friends.
Exactly. You laugh together, you help each other, and sometimes you buy a little treat.
Like chocolate.
Or ice cream.
I think everyone deserves a small treat sometimes.
I couldn't agree more.
Before we go, we have one last question.
What do you usually buy at the supermarket?
What's one thing you never forget to put in your shopping cart?
Tell us your answer in English.
We always enjoy reading your comments.
Thank you so much for listening today.
Keep practicing your English every day. Remember, the more real conversations you listen to, the more naturally you'll speak English.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.
See you in the next episode. Cindy, I almost bought 10 cartons of milk yesterday.
Really? 10 cartons?
Yeah, I thought they were on sale.
Weren't they?
No, the sale ended the day before.
Oh no.
I didn't notice until I got to the checkout.
What did you do?
I quietly put most of them back.
That's actually funny.
The cashier smiled at me.
At least you caught it in time.
Exactly. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart Learning English channel.
Today, we're talking about something we all do.
What do you usually buy at the supermarket?
I go to the supermarket once or twice a week.
Me too.
I always make a shopping list first.
Really? I should start doing that.
It helps me remember everything.
I usually forget at least one thing.
Like what?
Eggs? It's almost always eggs.
That's funny.
What do you usually buy first?
Fresh fruit.
Nice. What's your favorite fruit?
Strawberries. When they're sweet.
I love strawberries too, but I usually buy bananas.
Why bananas?
They're easy to eat, and they're not expensive.
That makes sense.
After fruit, I usually buy vegetables.
Me too. I always buy carrots and broccoli.
I like carrots, but I'm not a big fan of broccoli.
Really? I think broccoli tastes great.
Maybe I just don't cook it well.
Maybe.
Do you buy meat every week?
Usually, chicken is my first choice.
Same here. I also buy fish sometimes.
That's healthy.
Do you ever buy snacks?
Of course. Who doesn't?
Good answer.
I try not to buy too many.
Me too. But cookies always find me.
Cookies find you?
I don't know how. They just jump into my cart.
That's a funny excuse.
I'm serious.
Okay, maybe I put them there.
I knew it. Do you compare prices?
Almost every time.
Really?
Yes, sometimes one brand is much cheaper.
That's true. I like saving money.
Me too.
Do you use reusable shopping bags?
Always. I keep them in my car.
That's a good habit. I always forget mine.
Then you have to buy another bag.
Exactly. I have too many shopping bags at home.
That's not the only one.
What's one thing you never forget to buy?
Coffee. I can't run out of coffee.
Mine is milk. If there's no milk, breakfast feels incomplete.
I understand.
Everyone listening, what's the first thing you usually buy at the supermarket?
Is it fruit, vegetables, snacks, or something else?
Tell us your answer in English.
We can't wait to read your comments.